Hi everyone, welcome back to Daddy Fever. Why everyone should drink okra water daily. Drinking okra water daily has gained a lot of attention recently, thanks to its potential health benefits that are both natural and easy to incorporate into daily life. But why exactly should you consider adding it to your routine? Let's break down some key reasons why many people swear by okra water and its potential impact on your overall health. First off, okra is packed with nutrients. This humble vegetable is rich in essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, C, K, folate, and magnesium. It's also a great source of fiber. When you soak okra overnight in water, many of these nutrients are infused into the water, making it a nutrient-dense drink. The vitamins, especially vitamin C, contribute to a stronger immune system, while folate is important for cell function and tissue growth, which is especially beneficial for pregnant women. Drinking okra water can provide an easy and natural way to get these important nutrients into your diet, especially if you're someone who struggles to eat enough vegetables daily. Another key reason to drink okra water is its potential benefit for digestive health. Okra is known for its high fiber content, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. But what's even more interesting is the mucilage it contains. That's the thick, gel-like substance that gives okra its slightly slimy texture. When soaked, this mucilage is released into the water, which can help soothe the digestive tract and improve gut health. Fiber in the water helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports overall digestion, making okra water an excellent natural remedy for digestive issues. If you're concerned about blood sugar levels, okra water may also be beneficial. Some early studies suggest that okra may help regulate blood sugar, which is crucial for those with diabetes or anyone trying to manage their glucose levels. The soluble fiber and mucilage in okra are thought to slow down the absorption of sugar in the intestines, helping to prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. While more research is needed, there's promising evidence that regularly consuming okra water could play a role in better blood sugar control, offering a natural complement to other dietary strategies aimed at managing diabetes. Additionally, okra is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants, like flavonoids and polyphenol, help protect your body from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, which are key factors in the development of many chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Regularly consuming okra water may help lower your risk of developing these conditions by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Speaking of heart health, okra water might also contribute to lowering cholesterol levels, thanks to its soluble fiber content. Fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive system and helps to remove it from the body, potentially lowering bad cholesterol levels. This not only supports cardiovascular health but also reduces the risk of developing heart disease over time. Another lesser-known benefit is for skin health. Okra water is highly hydrating, and when combined with its vitamin C content, it may promote collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing dryness. This makes it a great natural drink for anyone looking to improve their skin from the inside out.